This week, many parts of Montana saw flash floods, but we weren't alone. The Bighorn Canyon National Recreation Area in Wyoming was also heavily impacted by flash flooding conditions. The flooding forced the closure of the road leading to the area and took out several power lines. Ren Wadsworth traveled to Wyoming to learn what work has been done in order to reopen park roads and restore power for visitors.
Days of work and several county, state, and federal agencies collaborated to remove mud, boulders, and driftwood from recreational areas. And still, some echo of the flood remains.
A strong thunderstorm hit Bighorn County in Wyoming Friday evening, leading to flash flooding in the Bighorn Canyon National Recreation Area. The high waters forced a complete evacuation of the area and road below Barry's Landing. At the height of the flooding, Crooked Creek covered Bighorn Canyon Road in rushing water and debris, forcing the road's closure. And after the waters receded, it was noted that the left edge of the road is starting to crumble.
We do have federal highways coming up to inspect the road, but right now we just have the Jersey barriers, and if people can just be careful through that area, and also realize that with any more rain events that we have, more rocks are going to fall onto the road. And so if you get up there before our maintenance folks do or right after a rain, just be careful along the road.
The road and all areas around it were open Saturday night after floodwater had receded. Over the course of the week, county, state, and federal agencies worked together to clear the debris, lifting heavy boulders and trees and scraping the mud from the road. But there's still more work to be done. The flooding also took out 2 power poles that provided electricity to campsites and water systems at Horseshoe Bend that are still in need of repair.
And Bighorn REA estimates that those lines will be up and running to bring power and water to the remaining areas of the Bighorn Canyon within the next few days. In Lovell, I'm Ren Wadsworth, Nonstop Local.